Welcome to our channel. Samsung Health syncing problems can disrupt your fitness tracking, but these solutions will get the app working properly again. Step 1. Open your phone's settings, navigate to Apps, find Samsung Health, and clear the app's cache to remove temporary files that may be causing issues. Step 2. Force stop Samsung Health by selecting it in the Apps menu and tapping Force Stop, then restart the app. Step 3. Check that Samsung Health has all necessary permissions enabled, including storage, location, and physical activity access in your phone's app settings. Step 4. Ensure your phone's date and time settings are set to automatic, as incorrect time settings can cause synchronization errors. Step 5. Update Samsung Health to the latest version by visiting the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store and checking for available updates. Step 6. Restart your Samsung device completely to refresh system processes and clear any temporary glitches affecting the app. Step 7. If using wearables, disconnect and reconnect your Samsung smartwatch or fitness tracker through the Samsung Health app settings. Step 8. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Samsung Health, though note, this may require logging back into your Samsung account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.